Let's take a look at democracy and public administration. Democracy requires mechanisms for both participation and accountability ensured by an independent judiciary, uncensored media, and free elections. Public administration, however, poses problems for that type of system. It does not fit with the idea of elected public officials because most bureaucrats are not elected, and professional values usually emphasize expertise, limited access, knowledge, and security over accountability, participation, transparency, and democratic control. Growing societal complexity and increasing administrative responsibilities require more specialized bureaucratic professionals, as well as new and varied forms of administrative activity like contracts, grants, and regulation. And at the same time, disadvantaged groups and others have turned to government bureaucracy more frequently for various kinds of aid and to demand a greater role in making policies that affect them. Often, the result has been a conflict between the need for professionalism and technical competence and insistent demands for citizen participation in more aspects of policy making. In addition to accountability and participation, bureaucracy is also concerned with representativeness. Holding government officials accountable for their actions and that of others is crucial to democratic governance, even more so when substantial responsibility is entrusted to non elected administrative personnel. Publicity has long been known as one means to enforcing accountability by providing information to citizens who can act more intelligently and purposefully on whatever the issue may be. Sunshine laws are acts passed by Congress that some states and localities require that legislative and administrative procedures be held in public rather than behind closed doors. Sunset laws are provisions in laws that government agencies and programs have a specific termination date. By requiring positive legislative action to renew agency mandates, there's a virtual guarantee that some examination of agency performance will take place. Once again, the public seems to be looking at its legislative representativeness, or their representatives themselves, to provide greater popular control over executive branch agencies. Increasing government activity caused rising citizen concern about administrative decision making and access to information. The Freedom of Information Act, known as FOIA, passed by Congress and some state legislatures, establishes procedures through which private citizens may gain access to a wide variety of records and files from government agencies. The effect of this statute was to increase the potential for citizen access to a wide variety of government records and files. The FOIA records of recent administrations have been somewhat mixed. Proponents of greater access to government information have seen some of the developments as being very positive. Sunshine laws, which have been passed at all levels of government and apply mainly to legislative procedures, have also been enacted for administrative agencies. The greatest potential beneficiaries are organized groups of citizens who seek to monitor and influence the decision of administrative agencies. There's also growing concern that government and bureaucracy are not doing enough to protect individual privacy and ensure that government records concerning affairs of private citizens are fair and accurate. This is particularly sensitive in terms of an issue when we view electronic information capabilities of government today.